Mounting the blade, the rotor to the motors, you probably need a needle nose plier. So because it's an outrunner brushless motor, you wanted to grip the motors on this end, not onto the threaded screw. So grip tight on this end, and then the blade is actually to mount in. Is actually screw onto it. So put a little pressure. This is reverse thread. So basically you have to go counterclockwise to mount the blade in there. So push it in a little bit while turning. Apply a little force to it. Don't press onto the airplane too hard. You want to just hold on from your needle nose plier. Hold on to the main portion of the motors. So hold on tight on this hand, and then continue to counterclockwise because it's reverse threaded all the way in. It might take a little time to do like this, but just continue. But make sure you hold on to the motor side so it doesn't slip and turn along the way that you're turning too. So going as far as you can, which is about here, is pretty tight. I cannot even grip the motor. The motor begins to slip. So it's real tight. That should be fine. That should be good enough. So that's how you mount and make sure that when you turn the blade, you can see the cap of the rotor and the shaft are lined up horizontal. If it bends a little bit, then you might do the wrong mounting, and you might have to redo the mounting again. To take it out, then you have to hold on to the main portion of the motors and clockwise rotation. That will take out the blade. So remember, counterclockwise is where you mount the blade into the motors. And make sure you grip real tight onto the motor side, not the screw set side of the motors. So that's how you mount the blade onto it.